Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Renee and Christian. Today we're doing a hairstyle inspired by Young Johnny Depp. It has a lot of curls, flow and a wet look to it. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go!
Dejligt for hovedbunden. Så kan der plads der igen. So today we will cut with the scissor only, I think, and take maybe a lot off in the neck, not a lot on the top, because we want to still use the curls and maybe get this a little bit wet look in it. And yeah, are you down for that?
Yeah, for sure.
Super, perfect.
Don't think twice now, you got things to prove.
Yeah.
I'm not playing, I'm not hard to get. 'Cause when I saw you, there was nothing else. You got dreams and I got dreams, so let us open up about it. Maybe we will fit right in. You got dreams and I got dreams, so let's start making plans around them. Maybe we can dive right in. Oh, don't let me down. I've been killing love songs, honey. Don't fool around. You know I've been waiting, honey. Let's fall deep down in love.
And today we're using Sidekick, and we are using Sidekick in the wet hair with the wax. I will show you. So we get the wet look, and the Sidekick is for heat protecting, 24 hours hold. Here we're combining it with the wax, so we get the like more wet look. And then I combine the Platinum, who has argan oil in it, so we get the more moisturized look.
Tick-tock, thumbs up, got my trust in you. This might seem typical, but for me it's new.
Yes.
Oh, don't let me down. I think you love sometimes.
This was the Young Johnny Depp hairstyle. Christian, how do you like it?
I love it. It's great.
I think you did an amazing job, Renee.
Thank you so much.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below. Think about the episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.